Jerome's expired breakfast adventure. Jerome embarks on an unconventional breakfast journey, crafting a meal that challenges the boundaries of culinary norms. He starts by applying an expired cooking spray to his frying pan, its effectiveness a mystery but his enthusiasm unwavering. Next, he retrieves a package of expired bologna, intriguingly flavored with chicken and beef, a unique blend that promises an unexpected flavor profile. As the bologna fries, it releases a mix of scents that evoke both nostalgia and risk. To wash it down, Jerome brews a hot cup of coffee, enhancing it with expired cream milk that adds a curious texture, curdling ever so slightly upon contact. This breakfast plate is a daring exploration of creativity in the kitchen, showcasing Jerome's resourcefulness and willingness to embrace the unexpected, even when it comes to food that's seen better days. Jerome's expired breakfast adventure is a testament to the power of creativity and resourcefulness in the kitchen. It highlights that even in the face of expired ingredients, there is potential for delightful surprises and memorable experiences. As he savors each unconventional bite, Jerome reminds us that cooking is not just about perfection. It's about exploration, experimentation, and embracing the unexpected. This unusual breakfast may not have been ideal, but it certainly sparked joy and laughter, making it a unique chapter in